Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to blend these two images into this amazing double exposure photo. So without further ado, let's dive into Photoshop. I already have the first image opened and you can download it from the link in the description. Let's start by duplicating our image using Ctrl and J on the keyboard and rename the duplicated layer as character. After doing that, make a selection of the character using any of the selection tools available. Once the selection is done, go ahead and create a layer mask on the character's layer to isolate it from the background. Now, add a black and white adjustment layer on top of the character's layer. Adjust the value of the red slider to 15 and create a new solid color fill below the character's layer. Click on the highlighted area of the character to sample its color. After that, head over to the file menu and place the second image. Create a layer mask on the layer and add a clipping mask to it. Select the brush tool and set the foreground color to black. Using a soft round brush, start cleaning the areas you don't want in the final image. There you have it, how to create superb double exposure effect in Photoshop. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Until next time, keep on inspiring your world with creativity.